I suspect that many visitors to the museum don't even get to see the exhibit behind me, mounted as it is high up on the flank wall of the aircraft factory exhibition. Now that's actually rather a shame, because it is in fact one of the most commercially significant objects in the museum. It is the port wing of an Airbus A320 airliner that was built in 1992 and scrapped in 2015. As such, it was one of more than 18,500 pairs of wings that have been ordered for the A320 airliner family. The story of Brooklands' involvement in the A320 goes back to 1977, when partners in the original Airbus consortium, including the then newly formed British Aerospace, decided to set up a separate project to develop a competitor to the American Boeing 737 and McDonnell Douglas DC-9. They called the program JET, for Joint European Transport, and elected British Aerospace to lead it from its headquarters at Brooklands, which was by then known as BAE Weybridge. The Weybridge team had assembled considerable skills in advanced wing design, having previously developed the ideas of Farnborough's Dietrich Kuschmann and Joanna Weber to design the VC-10's highly efficient wing. This had led to their involvement in the UK's National High Lift programme, researching advanced wing concepts in the 1970s and establishing the UK's preeminence in this area of design. By 1980, the JET programme had settled on a single-aisle airliner with 2 engines and seating up to 188 passengers. The partners decided to move its development across to the Airbus consortium, where it was given the designation A320, following on from the previous A300 and A310 wide-bodied aircraft. In 1981, British Aerospace, along with MBB from Germany and Aerospatiale from France, set up an integrated wing group at Brooklands, with each company competing to provide the A320's wing. In 1982, British Aerospace's high-speed wing design was chosen for the A320. Its advanced features, including vented slats on the leading edge and wide-span flaps at the rear, were tested in the Brooklands low-speed wind tunnel. The first sets of wings were also built on site, the last major aircraft parts to be produced prior to the closure of Brooklands in 1989. By then, the A320, which had first flown in 1987, was developing into a broad family of aircraft with a range of passenger capacities. Its advanced fly-by-wire controls and efficient aerodynamics made it a formidable competitor for the much older Boeing 737. In 2019, the A320 series had overtaken the 737 to become the best-selling airliner of all time, with 18,652 aircraft having been ordered by June 2024. It is surely apt that such a world beater is being held aloft thanks to the pioneering creativity of Brooklands.